My colleagues, our industry people, you have no idea what these people do. A lot of people will come and say, hey, can you support ara yin? Hey, can you shake any kan irọ́ ni o. We support ourselves. We stand by ourselves. We are helping ourselves.
Gbogbo wa láti gbọ́ nǹkan tí Biola Adebayo sọ nínú fídíò yẹn fún gbogbo àwọn doubting Thomas tí wọ́n máa ń tẹnu bọlẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa ń sọ wípé ní Nollywood industry Yorùbá wípé I can help ara wa, that we don't help ourselves, that what we do is go to parties and spray money and all of that. You see what I'm saying? Biola tún tẹ̀síwájú nínú fídíò yẹn ó sọ wípé nígbà tí Madam Jumoke George nígbà tí wọ́n sick, it was at a point òun interview wọn, she did not want to come out to seek for help because she thought she could actually pray her way out of it. She thought she could actually handle it. Even when she offered to help the first time tí òun bá Mommy Jumoke George sọ̀rọ̀, she said she should not tell anybody anything about her problems. It was not until ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dé Congo tí wọ́n lè take care mọ́, that was when she came out to seek for help. Then ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ti ń di wípé àwọn kan tó ń pera wọn ní Yorùbá bloggers, what they do all day is to castigate Yoruba artists. That is what they do. Now, wọ́n ti wá ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn because when they begin to say something, then that thing will now, become the truth. Ẹ máa rí pé tí wọ́n bá tẹnu mọ́ irọ́ yẹn lè padà di òótọ́ tí àwọn tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bá involve bá jáde tí wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀. Torí ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe make sure wípé in most of my videos, anytime I talk about people that are seeking for help, I always love to highlight that particular part. Yes, torí pé kí ni òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ò ní ká má sọ òun. Ẹ̀yin ní ẹ̀gbọ́n kan tí Biola sọ nínú fídíò yẹn, ó ní nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀, a lot of our colleagues, ó dẹ̀ mention Kemi T, gbogbo wa la mọ̀ Aunty Sidi, ó mention Kemi T pé Kemi T ló as in ó facilitate tó fi di pé ó ń tagi àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe property business, tó tagi wọn tó fi di pé wọ́n fún Madam Jumoke ní one plot of land. Then a lot of other colleagues of ours in the industry that ó sọ gbogbo iṣẹ́ ribiribi, oore ribiribi, owó tán sẹ́ndì, then they were connecting a lot of people to help Mommy Jumoke George. She said that in that video. So now when some people will now come out and say anytime they need help, they will be begging. Meanwhile, there are successful ones among them that all they do is go to parties. Mo dẹ̀ ti clear ní time kan tí mo ṣe video kan, mo sọ wípé most of these parties you are seeing, some of them actually go there to run adverts for the companies, the brands they are advertising for. Now, that being said, àwọn kankan tó wá ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú video yẹn tó jẹ́ pé Biola Adebayo sọ nǹkankan tí mo tó fẹ́ ká take, I want us to take that particular statement into cognizance. She said it's not like she's got some money stashed somewhere. Pé tó bá ní o máa ṣe oore 150,000 fún yàn báyìí irọ́ ni, but it does not mean that she is not doing stuff. She does some businesses that ó lè di àárọ̀ ọ̀la kí owó mi wọlé. That is báwọn owó yẹn ṣe ń wọlé, she is helping people. Do you get? Now nǹkan tí mo try láti sọ sí ni pé see, in every sector ni nǹkan ti máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀. There are a lot of things tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé some people they will just abandon their colleagues. Láìpẹ́ náà ni Bọ́sẹ̀ Akínọlá àti Mọ́mí Tóyìn Adégbọlá ni wọ́n parapọ̀ láti help Mọ́mí ìyá Túdì nígbà tí wọ́n ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ilé wọn, tí ọ̀rọ̀ ilé yẹn ti di pé ó ti dé dẹ́kìn kankan rúfẹ̀ ló kù. Àwọn méjèèjì Bọ́sẹ̀ Akínọlá àti Madam Tóyìn Adégbọlá aṣẹ́wó tó Mẹ́kà, àwọn méjèèjì ló mọ bí wọ́n ṣe parapọ̀ tí wọ́n fi sọ́ọ̀tì owó yẹn tí wọ́n fi báyà yẹn rúfù ilé yẹn. Nobody came out to tell anybody. Do you get? Láìpẹ́ náà ni Rádékẹ́ arúgbó nígbà táwọn náà need the help, ṣebí Àrẹ̀mú Afọláyan ló jáde ló help wọn, ó ní iye owó tàrẹ̀mú náà ṣe tó fún wọn. Then even Ìjẹ̀bú promised that woman that anytime tí wọ́n bá ti fẹ́ ṣe fíìmù wọn kàn pé òun máa wà available fún wọn ní ọ̀fẹ́. So nǹkan tí mo try láti sọ in a nutshell ni pé a lot of people are actually helping a lot of people in our industry. Even èmi náà bí mo ṣe jókòó yìí ó láwọn veterans tó jẹ́ pé low key la máa ń ríra wa làwa náà máa ń sort níwọ̀n bàtà lè sort a lè fún wọn kò yé yín àyèmọ́yà wọn tá máa pàdé location tó jẹ́ pé àwọn veterans wà ìjọba máa ti dé a máa ń take care wọn but these are the things tó jẹ́ pé a máa ń ṣe tí ẹnìkankan tiẹ̀ ní mọ̀ sí rárá torí pé àwa máa ń believe pé a lot of us máa ń believe pé oore tí ọwọ́ ọ̀tún bá ṣe fún ọwọ́ òsì tọwọ́ tí the next person gan mọ̀ òun gangan lóore tó ní ládá oore tíyàn bá ṣe fún ẹ̀dá ẹgbẹ́ tí etí kẹta ò gbọ́ òun gangan ni oore tó ní ládá jù. So a lot of us believe pé tí a bá ṣe nǹkan fún èèyàn it is not a must that you come on the internet and start telling everybody. Tẹ́ bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ Biola Adebayo tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà a lot of successful actors ní industry tán ti ṣe oore ní ìwọ̀nba táìmù tí mọ́mí Jùmọ̀kẹ́ George need the help yìí tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa sọ fún wípé don't mention my name at all I just did this one for God àìmọye bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ ní gbọ́. So now when these Yoruba bloggers tọ́ máa kóra wọn jọ tọ́ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tú ìtukùtù tọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ ìsọkúsọ ẹ máa fi ibẹ̀ lẹ́bàá tí mọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn kìíní yìí is born out of jealousy. Yes, the same celebrities táwọn Yoruba bloggers yìí náà máa ń blọ́ọ̀gì òun náà fi ń jẹun o torí wọn lè ṣe lójúmọ́ kan kán máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yoruba artists Yoruba actors àti Yoruba actresses wọn lè ṣe lójúmọ́ kan. It is when something negative comes up about any Yoruba actors or actresses ìgbà yẹn ni it is that time they will be flexing muscles ìgbà yẹn lọ́ máa set ring light lẹ́ẹ̀ máa rí wọn pé wọ́n máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi TikTok live wọ́n ṣe ń lọ sí live lórí Facebook lọ́ máa gba live lórí wọ́n máa sọ ìsọkúsọ just because they want to gain traction because they know deep down in their minds that they can never gain any traction if they don't talk about us. Do you get? So indirectly àwa náà là ń bọ́ wọn and this set of people tí wọ́n sọ ìsọkúsọ káàkiri àwọn onífíìmù yẹn wọ́n máa lọ máa náwó patí ṣówó yín lọ́nà ni nígbà tó set ring light tó ń sọ pé èèyàn kan lọ náwó somebody that have worked so hard to make money ṣé irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ò deserve kó ṣe fàájì of course now tíyàn bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ déédéé wọ́n láti ṣe fàájì of course and àwọn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà if you check them very well ẹ lọ wo àwọn families wọn dáadáa èyí tó ń suffer ní family wọn wà ń bẹ̀ o but because those people are not popular you will not hear anything. Do you get? Ibi tí mo ń gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ gangan nìyẹn àwọn tí wọ́n ń sọ pé àwọn ará Yorùbá industry kì í help ara wọn yìí ẹ lọ check àwọn families wọn àìmọye family members wọn míì tó ń suffer tí wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ tó dẹ̀ ní agbára àtowó láti help tí wọ́n help but because àwọn yẹn ò ní voice àwọn yẹn ò ní face you get wọn ò ní help so a lot of these things tẹ́ bá check ẹ̀ dáadáa ẹ máa rí pé hypocrisy ló ń da gbogbo wọn láàmú àbòsí number one alábòsí àwọn ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ do you get so a lot even baba Charles Olúmọ Àgbákò kọ́ ló ń fọ̀nù kẹ́ baba Àgbákò àìmọye ìgbà tí Kúnlé Afọ́d tó jẹ́ pé ibẹ̀ ni Kúnlé Afọ́d máa ń lọ ní every time tẹ́gbọ́n ẹ̀ máa help even ìyá Rainbow akàn gbọ́ ó kàn kíní yẹn kàn jẹyọ nígbà tọ́rọ̀ bàbá Àgbákò yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ wípé àwọn dẹ̀ máa ń send the rice o a lot of things irú àwọn ìyá Rainbow yẹn ti ṣe fúnra àwọn veterans yẹn tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ kì í sọ tí tẹ́nìkankan kì í gbọ́ rárá torí wọ́n believe pé oore tó bá ṣe fún ẹ̀dá ẹgbẹ́ tí etí kẹta ò gbọ́ òun gangan lóore tó ní ládá jùlọ do you get bọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣe rí gangan nìyẹn inú mi dẹ̀ dùn now the narratives will begin to change now because when anything like this is happening our that were involved nínú industry yẹn if we don't come out and debunk all these things if we don't come out and clear the air bí wọ́n ṣe that is how they will just create that narrative false narrative and make it stick àwọn yẹn kọ́ máa believe pé bó ṣe rí gangan nìyẹn kò dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àìmọye oore tí àwọn èèyàn ti ṣe fún àwọn èèyàn nínú industry tó yẹ pé ẹnìkankan báyìí ò ní gbọ́ anything bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bó ṣe rí nìyẹn so ẹ jẹ́ ká máa calm down anytime tó bá ti ní ṣe pẹ̀lú negative news tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú Yorùbá actors tàbí actresses ẹ jẹ́ ká máa calm down don't let us be too quick to nab them ẹ̀yin náà wo kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ recently sí Aisha Lawa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Venza kò ṣe Venza. Ẹ wo gbogbo àdúrú damages táwọn èèyàn ti lọ rẹ́ẹ̀kì sí abẹ́ comment section ẹ̀. Ẹ wo oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tó máa ti ṣẹlẹ̀, endorsement deals oríṣiríṣi tó máa ti wà on hold. Ẹ̀yin náà wá òbí tọrọ yẹn padà wá já sínsìn. So ẹ jẹ́ ká máa calm down tó bá ti dọ̀rọ̀ because I always say celebrities are human beings too. We need to give them that chance to explain themselves. Kò kí n ṣe pé bóyá tabakan ti gbọ́ àhesọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan níbì kan pù àti fò àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní judge àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní judge. I don't even know how people get that energy, to troll people, to troll. Some people actually derive pleasure in trolling celebrities. I don't know the joy they derive. I don't know how they do it. You are watching someone's post, you are watching someone's video, then you are having hatred in your heart. Ẹni tí mọ̀ra yín rí kò ẹnìyàn ò mọ̀ ẹ́ rí náà, ìwọ ló mọ̀ rí. This person does not even know that you exist, but you are just watching his post, you are watching his video, and you are having so much hate in your heart. A lot of times, if I make a post, Timba post, you will just see some people will just come out of the comment section. They will just say some things. I will not be like, I will not go and check the profile. This person does not even naturally. The person will just hate you. So that kind of person is always there, waiting for you to fall. Then he fall you. Ẹni tó bá ro bírò wa ni bí máa bá. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, thank you so much for for loving everything we do. Thank you so much for supporting us. But àwọn kan wà, òun wo ẹ̀dá ẹgbẹ́ òun ṣe nǹkan instead of you to be happy. Like for instance, tí ẹ bá rí some of our female artists in our industry, if they post a new house, post a new car, some people will just go under the comment section. Ẹ ti lọ fòbò gbálé, ẹ ti lọ fòbò gbá mọ́tò. Mi mọ báwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń ronú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Mo bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn ṣe rówó tó fi like ṣé àwọn tó máa ń wúrú wà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn like bí ìgbà pé nínú family wọn obìnrin ò kí ń ṣoríire. Come on, there are 1,000,001 legit ways a woman can make money, can make legit money. A lot of people are making money online. People are making films. They are selling it to all these streaming platforms, Netflix, Amazon, even YouTube. They make a lot of money. They pay in dollars. So if a woman is making a lot of money like that and she decides to buy a house, buy a new car, you will now say, what you love for both. Oh man, is always annoying when people, have that kind of impression that you want to put, you want stick until we begin to come out. We need to begin to come out and, and clear all of these wrong impressions. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I really want to appreciate everybody, dropping those beautiful comments. If you know that you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell. So when my next video is popping up, you'll be the first to see it. Jeff Owolewalorukomi, I'll see you on the other side. Holla.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.